hope you all are ready for the class today. Yes, okay, very nice. Everyone is saying yes ma'am, we are all ready for the class. I can see all your smiling faces also. Yes, all are looking fresh. Very good. Hope you all had your breakfast and your milk also. Yes, okay, I can see so many hands saying yes ma'am. Very good. So, in our class, what we are going to learn today, we are going to learn today about use of this and that. In our previous class, what we learned, we learned about vowels and consonants. Okay, that got over, and then we came on to this. That is also over. This and that both separately ma'am taught you. So today ma'am is going to teach you about use of this and that together. You are going to learn about this and that together. Okay. First of all, you have to write your date over here. So what is the date? 8/09/2020. And what is the day? Anyone can tell me? Yes, very good. I can see so many hands saying yes ma'am, today is Tuesday. Very good. And after that, you have to put your classwork. You have to write your headline. All of them, you are going to write your headline by yourself only. Okay? Don't tell your papa, mummy to write the headline for you. Now I can see that everyone is able to write the headline. So you have to write your headline by yourself only. Okay? So first of all, ma'am is going to make you understand the difference between this and that. Okay? Suppose a pen is near to ma'am. Okay? Very close to ma'am. So in that case, what we are going to use? We are going to use this. ठीक है? जो ऑब्जेक्ट मैम के पास में है और बहुत क्लोज है, तो what we are going to use? We are going to use this. Okay? And if some object is very far away from ma'am, ठीक है, बहुत दूर है कोई ऑब्जेक्ट, तो what we are going to use for that? We are going to use that, क्योंकि ऑब्जेक्ट इज far away from us. Okay? Same way, when object is near to us, we use this. Remember that clearly. Okay? And when the object is very far away from us, we use that. Okay? In the same way, one more example I want to tell you. Suppose ma'am is holding this book. Okay? So this book is very near to me. This book is very close to ma'am. Okay? And when ma'am is putting the book over here, so you can see that the book is far away from me. Okay? So what you are going to use in that case? We are going to use that. ठीक है? जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट अपने पास में होता है तो we use this, and when the object is far away from us, in that case we use that. Okay? Now look onto the board. Here also few examples are there. So all of you have to write it very neatly and clearly, and you have to draw the objects. Okay? When this is there, you have to draw the object over here, and when that is there, you have to draw the object over here. Hope everything is clear to you. Now look here. This cup is very near to me. Okay? So what we are going to use in that case? जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट अपने पास में है, बहुत क्लोज है, तो we use this. Okay? This is a cup. Okay? And here देखो, look here, the object is far away. ठीक है? दूर है ऑब्जेक्ट. This object is very far. The cup is over here, and here the cup is near to ma'am. Okay? Here the cup is far away from ma'am. So what we are going to use over here? We are going to use that. THAT, that. Okay? See, look here. Here the cup is near to me. So what we are going to write here? THIS, this. Okay? Now look here, the object is far away from us. ये जो कप है ये दूर है मैम से. So what we are going to write here? We are going to write here that. Okay? THAT, that. Again look to the second example. Here it is a ball. Okay? So the ball is very close to ma'am. The ball is very near to ma'am. बहुत पास में है मैम के. So when the object is very close to us, what we are supposed to write there? We are supposed to write this. Okay. So we are going to write here this THIS, this. Okay. This is a ball. BALL, ball. Now you can see the object. It is here. The ball is far away from man. ठीक है. जब भी कोई ऑब्जेक्ट दूर होता है, what you use? You use that. THAT, that. Okay. Remember very nicely. When any object is close to you, you write this, and when the object is far away from you, you write that. So here you are going to write that. THAT, that. Okay. Now one more object. See, look to the third one. Here it is a cap. CAP, cap. Okay. The cap is very near to ma'am. Hope everyone can see the cap. The cap is very near to ma'am. जो object अपने पास में होता है, the object which is very near to us, what we write? We write this. THIS, this. This is a cap. CAP, cap. Now again look here. Cap कहाँ पर है? मैम से बहुत दूर है. The cap is very far away from ma'am. So in that case, what we are going to write? We are going to write that. Very good. Everyone knows now. What we are going to write here? That. THAT, that. Okay. Now look here. What is here? This is a bat. Everyone knows the spelling of bat also. It's very easy, isn't it? What is the spelling of a bat? BAT, bat. Very good. So this bat is very near to ma'am. ये जो bat है ma'am से बहुत close में है. ठीक है? And this bat is very far away from ma'am. So when the bat is very close to us, what we have to write here? This. THIS, this. And here again the bat is very far away from ma'am. So what we are going to write here? That. THAT, that. Okay. Now you can see a star over here. Star मैम के बहुत पास में है कि नहीं? The star is very close to ma'am. When the object is very close to us, what we are supposed to write? We are supposed to write this. Okay. THIS, this. This is a star. STAR, star. Okay. Now the star is very far away from us. ये star जो है अपने से बहुत दूर है. जब कोई object दूर होता है तो अपन what we are supposed to write there? We are supposed to write THAT, that. Okay. THAT, that. That is a star. Okay. So this is your work for today. Everyone has to write it very neatly, and everyone has to draw the drawing very nicely. You have to draw the drawing also by yourself only. Okay. 1 page classwork you will be writing, and 1 page homework you have to write. Along with that, in the book also, here you can see my first reader book. ठीक है. तो यहाँ in page number you can see my first reader. I can do the C. Here you have to write classwork over here and fill in the blank with this or that is given. Okay. Both the only 1 page is given, so you have to write the classwork also. 1 page you have to complete this also. Okay. So this is your work for today. Everyone has to do this and complete their work and then send it to me. Take care. Bye. Have a nice day.